All right, so I want you to focus on why I shouldn't just send you to the state jail facility. That's what I want to focus on. The state wants you to go to the state jail facility because they're saying you're not a good candidate for probation. So my question for you is, why shouldn't I just send you to the state jail facility?
I've been clean since I've been in here, and I was clean 4 months prior. I've been trying to better my life. I actually
22 CR 10959, State of Texas versus Santos Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Chris Griffith for Mr. Rodriguez.
Are you Mr. Rodriguez?
yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea of guilty, and we're here. The court requested that a TAP evaluation be done and also a PSI report. Have both parties reviewed the PSI report, state?
Yes, Judge.
Defense?
Yes, ma'am.
Any objections?
No, ma'am.
No.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility, and the state is opposing your application. State, do you have any witnesses?
No, Judge.
All right, defense, any witnesses?
Just allocution, Judge.
All right, defense, you may proceed.
Your Honor, with this offense, Mr. Rodriguez made contact with police because he was riding a bicycle without lights in the evening. He consented to a search. Checkbooks were found in his backpack. Further investigation by SAPD revealed that a completely separate individual, a Dave Thomas, who I'm assuming is not associated with Wendy's, had actually taken those checks to the HEB parking lot that Mr. Rodriguez had found the checkbook in, and that he had cashed those checks. Fingerprints verified that, video verified that a Dave Thomas was cashing these checks. It was not Mr. Rodriguez. At the time, Mr. Rodriguez was homeless. He was having substance abuse issues. Since that time, Judge, he's wanting to make changes in his life, because the largest change between then and now is that his girlfriend, ex-girlfriend currently, is pregnant with his first child. He wants to be there for his child. He wants to make a change in his life. He's spoken with his mother. He's able to live at his mother's home. His mother is elderly. His brother passed away in March. His sister is in the military and has 4
4 years
more
left
years.
in Kansas.
On her contract at the base she's at in Kansas. He has spoken with, Steve and Sons. I keep wanting to say Dave and Sons.
Yes,
Steve
Dave
and
and
Sons doors.
Excuse me. It can't be two people speaking at the same time. If you want to talk, you'll have to be placed under oath. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense.
There's also another company off of 34th Street that his mother has spoken to that he could get employment with them as well. And lastly, Your Honor, I would just point out that the PSI revealed that Mr. Thomas, the individual who actually cashed these checks and was involved with that, he received 3 months, 10 days in state jail. Just if Your Honor was interested in comparative sentencing.
All right, anything from the state?
Judge, just that he has had several cases where he has been given the opportunity. Back in 2017, he was given the opportunity for 2 years deferred on a possession less than a gram. He got revoked on that, was sentenced to a year in the state jail facility. In 2018, he was sentenced to 8 months in the state jail facility.
Our reporter says she can't hear you.
Can you step up to the mic?
Sorry about that. He's been given opportunities previously to be on deferred adjudication, and he was not able to successfully complete that deferred adjudication. The state is asking for 12 months in state jail.
Okay. All right. Is there anything you wish to say, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand.
I actually did my sentence he said 12/7/2017. I was still in jail in 2017. I didn't get out till 2018.
All right, so I want you to focus on why I shouldn't just send you to the state jail facility. That's what I want to focus on. The state wants you to go to the state jail facility because they're saying you're not a good candidate for probation. So my question for you is, why shouldn't I just send you to the state jail facility?
I've been clean since I've been in here, and I was clean 4 months before prior. I've been trying to better my life. I actually went into many changes. My brother just recently passed away, and I gotta be there for my mom.
Why do you just know that you need to be there for your mom now that,
Because,
excuse me,
I'm sorry.
why are you just realizing you need to be there for your mom when you were in the free world and you were not doing anything to be there for your mom?
Because I'm having a child now, and I did my first. I didn't really know what she was going through, what she did. She did a lot for me, and I didn't really pay attention.
So I'm going to give you a choice. You can either go to the state jail facility for a year, or you can go into inpatient treatment. And that's what's being recommended for you. So which do you prefer? Do you want to do the state jail facility time of 1 year, or do you want to have probation and go into inpatient treatment?
I'll take the inpatient treatment, ma'am.
Okay. All right, this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 2 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to want parenting classes with triple P. Once he completes parenting classes, then the community service hours will be deemed to be satisfied. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. The UA hotline upon release. I'm going to want SATF referral. Well, he's already approved for SATF, so we're going to do SATF. And we can do a referral to felony drug court as well. He's to remain in custody until transfer to SATF or felony drug court. Upon release, I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month. And probation, if he's accepted into felony drug court, or of course, whatever felony drug court conditions have, then that's what they'll have. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything that he needs? Anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Oh, man.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You have a child that's coming into this world. You have elderly parents. You're going to have to start making better decisions. If you are not going to be a parent that this child can be proud of or look up to and want to imitate, then do not bother being in that child's life. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Actually, with the money that we're going to be getting from my brother's accidental death, I just actually used my cut for open a nonprofit organization in his memory to help people.
All right. Good for you. Thank you very much.